Are you heartbroken over broken walls? Ooh! Ouch! That hurts. Then we've got the solution for you. Introducing the Dubious Door Stopper! It works when you're mad. It works when you're in love. Let's take a listen from some of our satisfied customers. Yeah, the door stopper is wonderful. I'm very satisfied with it. It saved my wall from many bruisings. Thank you, door stopper.
I really appreciate the door stopper because I am an emotional mess lately. And sometimes I come in here and I'm crying and the door stopper's just there. He's always there. Thank you, door stopper.
Ever since I was born, I was told that I was supposed to be a door stopper. And I did it.
Order your Dubious door stopper today, and it'll be a coat hanger too! To order your DDS today for only one easy payment of $19.95, dial 1-800-555-DOOR. That's 1-800-555-DOOR. Must be 18 or older.